So today we're going to do a little ketchup or makeup. I ended up seeing this on IG and thought I would try it. Some Fenty ketchup or makeup. Let's get into it. Let's see how much makeup we get and how much ketchup we get. So let's take it out. And Miss Rihanna, hopefully you're not duping me because I did not pay 27 bucks to just get ketchup and one packet of makeup, okay? I love that it says do not eat, just in case you were wondering. So let's open this. It's a lot harder than I thought. Me not trying to mess up the box. Me not trying to mess up the box. It's gonna have to get messed up, okay. Oh, it's so soft. I actually wish this was a palette. The moment of truth. Oh, I guess that's the first one we're gonna pick out. Lucky middle one. It feels, I feel like they all feel the same. Okay. Oh no! It is, oh my God, 100% ketchup. It says do not eat. Oh my God. Let's swatch it. Now, you choose. What number would you pick? Okay, let's do this one. Come on. Let's do some makeup. Yay! It's makeup. And it actually matches my lips. Let's do a little swatcheroo. That's pretty. Okay, so we were lucky there. Let's wipe this off. We'll do this one. Okay. Me trying to cheat. Okay. It's okay. It's makeup. I think it's all the same color. It's still the same color, so. We got 2 makeup, 1 ketchup. What do you think our score is gonna be? Do you think we're gonna have more makeup or ketchup in this? Do your number guesses down below. On to the next one. I'm gonna try, I want this one? Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Whichever one comes out. This one came out first, okay. Oh, it feels liquidy. It's ketchup, for sure. I should have had a little fry sesh. Okay, let's do the next one. 2 and 2. So we have 2 more. What do you think? Okay, so I'm cheating. It feels liquidy. I think this one is ketchup. Yeah. It's definitely ketchup. Oh my God. Well, last but not least, what do you think? Is this one gonna be ketchup or is this one gonna be makeup? I'm low-key cheating and feeling it out. I feel like it's ketchup. We got ketchup. Oh no. Okay, so majority was ketchup. I figured. Rihanna, girl. This was cute and all, but what the fuck? I wouldn't suggest getting this. Don't bother. Have fun with mine, but yeah, it's cute. I mean, the color is like this pinky glittery gloss. Matches with what I'm wearing, so it was cute. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was a cute little video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. So did you guess it right? Did you get 2 out of, how many were there? 6. Well, 2 is better than nothing.